this, bro. I don't like this.
Y'all wanna go to Walmart?
Yeah, you're messed up.
You wanna ask my jokes, okay?
And what? You go there. I got this.
Hi, y'all. You just smacked my butt?
I ain't doing that. Oh, bye. Oh, I mean,
Yeah, I don't
that
like
looks
this.
a little bit better.
No, don't.
Wait, why
No,
is yours
it's-
like that?
as you can
Other
see.
people's lives aren't like that anymore.
I don't like it. All right, but I mainly want to go live because some of you guys have been telling me about a fan page of mine. Well, everyone says it's a fake
I made
fan.
a circle. Ty, I made a circle.
They made a fake fan page of me because I support I repost edits and stuff like that. But one thing about this person is I don't support any of my supporters that throw hate towards anyone. Two, that's just wrong to do. Like, just because I repost the edit is because it looks nice and it's hard work effort. Like, obviously I'm gonna repost it. It has nothing to do with favoritism or anything. It's just what I like. So I just wanted to let it known. I can't be serious when Valak's doing that. But
It's
yeah.
cool, bro. Look, you can see how it looks like a circle in the camera. Yo, I'm a cowboy. You see that circle? Oh my god.
Anyways, ow. People are rude. That's what I'm saying. It's the never going live on this account. I told you I was gonna be more active on my spam. I know I haven't.
Pick a card, any card. Pick a card.
I'm trying to talk to them.
Pick a card. You gotta end it. Don't show me. Show them. Now put the card in here. Okay. Now you saw how I'm gonna start shuffling all these thingies, right?
It's gonna be the last card I saw.
Okay, I can't see. Oh, you think it's gonna be the last card? You think it's gonna be the last card? Oh, what a fool. Watch this. This has to make it more fair, right?
I don't care.
Oh.
Mike is not abused. But I'm not. It's card. I don't even think he knows which one it was.
If I could take a wild guess, it shall be.
It's Uno cards. It's not that hard. It's 4 colors.
Wallykazam! You may not look at the cards I shall choose. I'm slowly looking at it. Damn, I know there's not that many cards in this one thing, man.
I'm trying to talk to y'all and Valak over here just coming. Just do this. I know y'all, but not. We're I'm about to shower, start packing my clothes before me and Valak head to the airport in the morning. Our flight's at 9, but I think we're gonna get there 6, 7 to check
You
in.
can't look. You're cheating.
Trust me.
I'm gonna shuffle it one more time. Was this your card?
No.
I knew it. I was just playing with his head. Was this your card?
No.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you dead ass? I wasn't. I'm such a great actor. Was this your card?
No.
Yo, there is no way that was your card.
Bro, you so bad at this.
I'm looking. Hold on, my magic tree's still not open.
Don't say it. Don't say it. We're going to the airport. Me and Valak are going back home to spend time with our family for a little bit, and for Valak to spend his birthday with his mom.
Haha. You thought I was a fool. But indeed.
It's the struggling for me.
I know which one it is. Pick this one. Ha-ha! Aha! Is that right?
No.
Yo, there's no way. Okay. There is really no way. Pick a card. Pick a card. No. The one that's sticking out. Yeah. Was that your card?
No.
What? Okay.
Bro, I can't.
I got it. Pick a card. Pick a card. No. This one. Aha!
No.
Yow! There's no way. It's okay. You wanna know why? Because my magic trick is gonna work. And you wanna know how it's gonna work? Pick a card.
You want to just do a new deck?
No, pick a card. No. This one. Ha! It was the number 2. I don't get it.
It wasn't number.
It's not 2. I'm gonna read the comments. Let's see what they said.
It's a disappointment to me.
Stop lying to him. You got lying? You're lying? So this was your card? This was your card?
Yeah.
I was right the first time?
Oh my god.
Wow.
It's the ahas for me.
You know what, bro? You want to play with me? I'm going to really know your card this time. And this time you can't play with the master. You wanna know
Yeah,
why?
you see, it wasn't 2.
It can happen.
Right. Yo, right? It wasn't 2?
You see how it was 2. Look,
Bro, some of them just don't.
You thought you was slick.
Bro, it wasn't 2.
I thought
Nelly
it was 3.
No, it was 3.
There's no 3 in this yellow.
It wasn't yellow.
There's no yellow 3.
It wasn't yellow though.
It was.
How you know?
Because I'm a magician.
No, nigga, you were just thinking. That's what you were doing.
I turned around. All right.
They done called the man Aldi supermarket, child.
It was 2. Man, y'all don't know how to keep a secret for nothing.
Pick a card.
You said pick a card, not the card that you want me to pick.
Pick it. Show them the card.
Put it back in the deck whenever you're ready. Okay.
So, tell me, how is your day? You see me shuffling, right? I'm shuffling. What? Was this your card?
No.
It wasn't?
Mm-mm.
How is this not your card?
It wasn't my card.
That had to be your card.
No.
She's in magician class.
I'm a magician. This has to be your card.
No, it was
No,
not.
we should really take a magician class.
That's not your card?
No, it was 6. That's a 9.
That's cap. No way. Are you a witch?
You see, they said it wasn't. Stop cheating, Valak.
Stop cheating. I'm not cheating. I just looked at the card, so I know that one was it. So I don't know how that one was it. A magician just revealed the secret. Alright. Y'all want me to reveal
Oh my
the
god,
other
do they think the magicians where's my man? Annie
Alright, y'all want me to see the other one? Alright, bro. This time, pick a card. Any card. No. Say no, I'm playing. Pick any card. Okay, show it to me.
Don't say a word, y'all.
Put it in the deck when you're ready.
Y'all trying to be magicians with Uno cards?
That's what I'm saying. It's not that hard.
Yes, it is.
There's only 4 colors, Valak.
Y'all peeped, I did not see it. Mike, you are seeing me shuffle, am I right? You are watching me shuffle. I prefer to make it the big screen if I was you, because you're watching me shuffle. I am shuffling for hours. I could shuffle for the whole day. You want me to? Oh, fuck. No. Wait, I lost it.
I can't believe Ty tricked me. Oh my god, Ty broke my heart. I wanted to play Among Us.
Was this your card?
Nah, it wasn't, I swear.
Why are you swearing on something when you're lying?
Alright, ask the chat. Chat, is this my card?
This was the card.
No, it wasn't.
This was this was the card. One of these three were the cards, and if I had to take a wild guess, it's this one.
No.
You took too long on that.
You're not lying, it wasn't. I told you.
Maybe my tricks aren't working.
Ty, he notices that he's struggling.
Alright. You guys.
Look, even Cohen said no.
Cohen don't know none of my tricks. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take this box out.
What are you doing with my camera?
Watch. You see how there's nothing there? I am going to firmly put this in there and close the box. Isn't that right, Mike? Close the box for me. Close it. Do the honors. As you can see, the thing is in the box. Now do it with me, Mike. I was about to call you Maya. Do it with me, Mike. Abracadabra!
Abracadabra.
Wallakazoo!
Well,
Wise man said for poo.
hey Mike, you're being sus for checking the chat. How am I being sus?
Where'd it go? I
right
don't
here.
know.
It's
I
right
don't
here.
know.
It's right here. Valid.
But if I say Wallakazam Shapoon and a bee,
You put it inside here.
I say Wallakazam Shapoon P. Wallakazam Shapoon P and add a little bit of. Yes.
Why would you put lotion on my camera box?
Make it come smoothly.
That, like, I'm thinking of two better word choices, please. That was bad.
Ready? You peep how you didn't even hear it go in because it came in so smoothly. Now show the cameras. Show the cameras my trick. No. Show the camera my trick. Because you want to say Valak is a cheater. How did it get here? Oh my God, Valak, teach me your ways. And the magician never reveals his secrets. Should have known that, honey. Capitalize on pain. Put a stick in your brain. Spit on the game. Go out.
Wait, you use a tanning lotion? Oh my god.
Yeah. You see, because the box was white.
Mike, you about to be a vlogger?
The box was white, but you see how it's now golden? It's the Jergens natural glow.
Nigga, what?
Okay. You see how there's a drink?
Mm-hmm.
I pour it out of the sink. It's empty.
Nigga, that's... What? He said, you see the drink. I pour into his sink. Empty. What type of drugs did y'all give my boy tonight? Because what the hell?
Okay.
I have no idea. I think it was that acai bowl that you had.
For my next trick, I'm going to need a pen.
Valak's side job is magician. He said, if I pour a drink into the sink, it's empty. It's the we've been waiting for YouTube videos for eternity for me. My fault, y'all. My fault. But no, once I start like posting my first video, I'm gonna do daily when I can do daily uploads. I'm gonna do like try to lose 2 videos a week. I'm gonna try that.
And now for my next.
Someone just called Mike Ashy. Where do you see the Ash at? I ain't Ashy.
I am going to entertain you and the audience. Now, will you please put the phone there and stand right there? Put your head right next to the camera. You are going, no, but look at me. You gotta look at me. Leave space for the magic. Okay. You see this pen, right? What color is it?
It's blue.
Y'all see it's blue, right? Now, with just just like that, I can easily just.
You bent it, nigga.
Where the fuck did it go?
It's right there. Bro, nobody falling for that.
What are they talking? Oh my god. What the? Oh shit. What the?
He said, oh shit.
And if I just easily just ooh.
You wanna see a cool trick? How are you doing today? I'm the coochie man. You sure you want to see a microphone?
I'll show you. Now, with it, Mike is gonna be my lovely assistant for this next trick. Okay. Ready? Okay, guys. You see Mike. Now in a few words, Shamamabu, Walikazim, he is gone. Oh, they can see your fucking.
He goes,
Yo, they can see your hair, bro. Oh my.
bro, you said drop to the floor, and I did.
All they saw was just like, look to the camera, ready? All they saw was it. Bro, that was gonna be a good a good thing.
You can still see his head.
Ready? Do it again. Watch this. Ready? Walikazoo, Mike is here. No, he's not. Y'all think he's on the floor? No, he's not. No, he's not. He's not in the room or anything. No. But if I bring him out and say Walikazam, Walikazoo, Mike is now here for you.
What's poppin'?
Yes. And now I'm gonna make his ass disappear again because he keeps on interrupting the live. Bitch, get out of here. Bitch, get out of here. Go ahead, bitch, get out of here. Run left. Bitch, get out of here.
He said run left. Malik, he crawled away.
Nah, he didn't crawl away.
I just ran.
That's it. I can sue you. This is a hazard. Ew. You eat blankets. You nasty. You're so nasty.
You eat your toenails. Yo, what if I actually smiled like this? Yeah, that'd be bad. That'd be bad.
What are we doing?
Do that trick with your. Alright, that's enough of magic shows for today.
I got another one.
No!
So, wait. Look at this. You see my hand? There's nothing. There's nothing.
You can see the red tip.
There's nothing. But if I go like this, how did that happen? So I put it behind Mike. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Motherfucker. Ah, it's an error. Don't come near me.
Kids, don't try this at home.
What? What?
Yeah, don't do what you just did. Give me that.
A magician has its risks.
I think you broke the whole.
Welcome to the air freshener. Wait, put it this way. Does it look like I was breathing fire?
Please stick to TikTok. Oh. That kind of hurt me out.
And that's why we're on TikTok. Because we need to show them our magic. Be gone. Dot. Be gone. Be gone. I'm trying to get... You think that's funny? You think that's funny? He's running away. But I'm gonna make him disappear like this. Ooh.
Hey, guys, so if I bring your phone,
Hey, that's my phone, bruh. Look at that. If you don't...
give me my phone, cut.
Nah, because you want to burn my phone, right?
Give me my phone,
Goodbye.
No, Valley, give me my phone.
Wait, okay. You got... Wait, how do I...
Oh, shit, I'm slipping.
Wait. We no argue. We just want to negotiate. So tell the people what you was going to do with my phone.
I was going to burn it.
Admit to your sins. Why were you going to do that?
Because I wanted to do it.
Why?
Why not?
Hold up. Say you're sorry.
No. I'd do it again if I had to.
Yeah. See what's going on. Let go of the.
I'm the coochie man. I deserve my phone back.
You fucking. You was gonna. Hey, move your hand. Move your hand out the fucking. Hey. You stupid twat. I got his blanket stuck. Say you're sorry.
My phone's gonna die, and we're gonna go to the asylum. You wanna hurry up?
Ooh.
Boy, if you don't give me my fucking phone back,
Get it.
nigga, I can't get it.
How about now? Ooh. You gotta be quicker than that. Ooh.
Boy, if you don't give me my fucking phone back, I'm gonna shoot you up.
Take it. Oh. You gotta be quicker than that.
Nigga, I didn't even move.
Yo, you see, bro? Look, you have people evaporating. They're commenting saying I'm evaporating.
Alex, if you don't stop playing, I'm gonna set your hair on fire tonight.
Playing with fire is dangerous.
I'm gonna put my thumb in your butt and give you 5 seconds. 1,
Yeah, heard that.
2,
He's gonna put a thumb in my.
3,
Here, take it.
4,
Take it.
5. If I reach for a bag and I don't get it, and you wonder what's that up your butt in the nighttime,
Thank you. Ty's here. Ty!
Oh, you guys can post it. You heard about it?
Yeah.
Hurry up.
I can't post it if it keeps turning on my phone.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Watch, I'm gonna reach for it and it's gonna slip. Alright, Valley, you asked for it, so when you're sleeping...
Say you're sorry. Shit, you scared me.
Alright, Valley, so you wonder what's that up your butt late at night, you know what it is.
I lock my doors.
No, you're not.
Why are you letting this child bully you on
Because I don't have the patience just to keep reaching for my phone.
I could see you. Whoa, calm down, Mike. Don't pull out the fire, someone said.
This whole police bar will go.
Valley, post the video.
It's late.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, they don't care?
No, it has to go up.
Okay, here, Mike. Say you're sorry first, and then I'll give it.
No.
Oh, my God. Come on, contribute with me.
Valley.
All right, I'll post it.
You won't need my phone, man.
Give me his phone back.
Please say sorry. It's just one word, bro.
No.
One word. We could be best friends, man.
No.
It's just sorry. You see, I got it. Oh.
If my phone dies and I can't pay for that, that's your fault.
Bro. Ah, he stole it. He stole it. Say sorry.
No.
I grabbed it with my foot. But it was fun doing this live. Vlog's not on the phone. I gotta post something. So, I'll see you guys later.